Hi everyone, I hope you are well and staying safe. Apologies, you're going to hear my kids in the background. That's what remote learning, I suppose, and learning and teaching does. But I thought I'd do this quick video just to explain and outline how week 6 and week 7 and again in week 12 is going to run in terms of the remote delivery and which tools we're going to be using in this subject. So if you go into VUC and click on the communication tab here, you'll see there's a nice new little tab called Zoom Classroom. If you click on that, you'll see that there are some meeting times. So I've set up some meeting times in terms of each scheduled class. Now we want you to attend, I suppose, for want of a better word, these classes that you are scheduled in, the ones that you're normally attending, by clicking on here at the time of your scheduled class. It will say join. It only says start because I created the sessions. So if you're in my class Thursday at 2 p.m, you would click join there at 2 p.m. Then it will come up, ask you for some prompts like join with computer audio and a video, and please allow for both of those so that we can interact with each other like we would in the classroom. If you have never used Zoom before, don't panic. It is quite easy to use. I'm not that tech savvy and I can navigate quite easily through, but there are some Zoom online information as part of VU Collaborate. So if you have a play around on your VUC space, there should be some tutorials for you if you want help using Zoom. Otherwise, just follow the prompts and you'll be able to navigate pretty easily through. We are also, throughout that lesson, going to use Google Docs. Now, obviously we use them in previous classes, but I have embedded them into the VUC space just for ease, so you don't have to set them up yourselves. So if you click on the learning space, we're going to go through the activities as listed in each session. Okay, so they're in session 6 in class, and you'll see that here are the activities. So nothing is going to change in terms of content. It's just a little bit of the delivery, I suppose. So if you head down to Melissa's class, if you're in my class, Larissa's class, Dave's and Natalie's, depending on which class you're in, click on that. And through the facilitation of your tutor, they will guide you in terms of which specialization to click on. So say I'm in English, it will take me to the Google Doc where I will be able to edit and answer the questions in terms of this week. And we'll use the same document for week 7 as well. So it's all there. You can return to it anytime that you want, just for ease and for speed, I suppose, in terms of our online deliveries. So it's going to probably look like a Zoom introduction where the tutor will explain the content and talk about the activities and what we want from you. And then we will leave the meeting and you'll go off on your own, complete the activities, and then at a set time come back together in that Zoom meeting, debrief, discuss answers, and really unpack the content that way. Okay, we don't believe that you need to be there on the Zoom interface for the whole time. It's going to be quite difficult in terms of bandwidth and data, use of data and things like that. So we're going to do it in a few stages, but be guided by your tutor in terms of when to come online. But when the class starts, head to the Zoom Classroom tool, click on your class, and the teacher will help you through. We look forward to seeing you, your smiling faces next week online at Zoom. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or your tutor. Thanks.